Hello friends, myself Hitesh Vishwanath Shahare, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at FNJ base Srimad Suryadat Jain College of Pharmacy, Chandwa. Here we are going to discuss the SAR of benzodiazepines. By this session, the learners will be able to correlate the role of various substitutions of benzodiazepine nucleus with sedative, hypnotic and anxiolytic activity. So coming to this session, look at to this benzodiazepine nucleus. The numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is a bicyclic system which contains the one benzene ring. So it is named here benzo, which is attached to the other cyclic system. That other cyclic system is diaza, because of it contains the 2 nitrogens, so it is a 2 nitrogen di and aza for 2 nitrogens, which are substituted at 1 and 4 position. This another cyclic system is 7-membered ring, so it is known as pine. So the name of this nucleus become benzodiazepine. This nucleus is also known as 1,4-benzodiazepine. So coming to the SAR of this benzodiazepine in view of sedative, hypnotic and anxiolytic action. Let us start with this first position of benzodiazepine nucleus. You can see here the nitrogen and as the first here. The substitution on this first position with the small alkyl groups, example CH3 or haloalkyl or amino alkyl groups, are responsible for optimizing the activity. Look at this example. Diazepam and temazepam contain methyl groups, as we said here, small alkyl groups, while flurazepam contain these amino alkyl groups, which are responsible for optimizing the activity. If you substitute here any aromatic groups that are responsible for decreasing the activity. Coming to the structures of this example, this is a diazepam. You can see here the nitrogen containing methyl group, small alkyl group. Second example, temazepam. Third example, flurazepam. You can see the temazepam also contain this methyl group, small alkyl groups, while flurazepam here contain the amino alkyl group, which is also responsible for increasing the activity. These are the IPEC name of this example: 7-chloro, 1,3-hydro, 1,3-hydro, 1-methyl, 5-phenyl, 3H, 1,4-benzodiazepine, 2O. Coming to the second position of this nucleus, this is the second position, which contain here the keto group, that is also known as 2-oxo group, which is essential for the increasing activity. One of the example and some examples are there. An example, chlordiazepoxide, which doesn't contain this oxo group at the second position. Instead of that, it contains NHCS3, but still it is active drug. Let us see how it is active. Chlordiazepoxide, as it contains methyl amino group at the second position instead of keto, when it metabolized by oxidative deamination, it gives demoxepam. This demoxepam contains oxo group at the second position, which is an active metabolite and produce the sedative hypnotic action. This is the IPEC name for these both of the drugs. Coming to the third position of the benzodiazepine nucleus, third position contains the OH group, which result in increasing the polarity of compound. As major concentration of drug directly excreted through the urine in unchanged form, and because of that the drug produces short duration of action because it remains in body for short time. If you want to avoid this, if you substitute here alkyl group instead of OH, that result in decrease in activity. It means the presence of OH or absence of this OH at third position is essential, and that decide the drug is either short duration, drug is having short duration, or the drug is having long duration of action. The examples of these LOT, L for lorazepam, O for oxazepam, T for temazepam, which are the polar drugs which contain the OH group at third position. Let us see the structure for these, which are short acting because these drugs are polar. You can see this third position containing OH. Next example, oxazepam, which also contains the third position OH. Temazepam, which also contains the third position OH, and this drug become polar because of presence of OH. Because of these are known as short acting. These are thiopicnic. Fourth position. Here, if you convert this into the saturation form, then there is a loss of activity. It means all benzodiazepine need an unsaturation at 4 and 5 position, which is essential part of this for activity. Fifth position of benzodiazepine nucleus, it is very essential part of this. The presence of phenyl group at 5 position is essential for activity. You can see the one structure. This is the 5 position which contain the phenyl group, and it required for maximize the activity. Ortho substitution on this substitute phenyl group, or you can say the diortho substitution on this phenyl group, or if we go with this para substitution on phenyl group, they are producing the different effect. If we substitute here at the para position any electron withdrawing group, that decreases the activity. Why? If we go for the monoortho substitution or diortho substitution of electron withdrawing group, that is responsible for increasing the activity. Let us see the example, flunazepam and clonazepam. Flunazepam, here you can see the ortho position which contain the fluorine electron withdrawing group at the ortho position, increase the activity. Clonazepam, that also contain the fluorine here, which is also responsible for increasing the activity. Next, about the position 6, 8 and 9. This is the benzodiazepine, 6, 8, 9 position, 6 position, 8 position, 9 position. This position not to be substituted, then only there is a increase in activity. They are not substituted. So if they are not substituted, responsible for optimizing the activity. 7th position, this is again as like the 5th position is very important. If any substitution with the electron withdrawing group, that increase the activity. For example, chlorine or nitro group at the 7th position. So the potency of drug depend on the electronegativity of group which is present at the 7th position. If we talk about this chlorine and nitro, so drugs which contain nitro group at 7th position are with more potency because of nitro group is having more electronegativity than the chlorine group. So what the conclusion is that electron withdrawing group or electronegativity of this group which is present at 7th position that decide the potency of drug. Let us see the example, diazepam, nitrazepam. Diazepam containing here the chlorine group, while nitrazepam contains the nitro group. So this nitrazepam is more active than the diazepam. Coming to the fuse ring system, benzodiazepine also contains some of fuse ring system, which are again more active drugs. Here, so let us talk about this. This is a benzodiazepine nucleus. Now here at the one and second position we have fuse, another ring system. So now numbering is changed. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now phenyl group is present at 6th position. Say 1, 8. Electron withdrawal present at 8th position, 9, 10. Likewise. So if we talk about this previous benzodiazepine nucleus and this is about the fuse ring system, the numbering system has been changed. What the unsaturation system was present in the previous benzodiazepine nucleus at the 4th, that is changed here to the 5th. You can see unsaturation. Phenyl ring, which was present at the 5th position initially, now it changed to the 6th position. Electron withdrawal present at the 7th position, now it changed to the 8th position. But even these all are responsible for optimizing the activity. So these are essential in fuse ring system. Let us see the example of these. Alprazolam, triazolam, midazolam, these are the most important drugs. You can see here the fuse ring system, what they contain, the 3 nitrogens in ring, that is the triazole system in alprazolam. Triazolam, that only indicating triazolam, triazole ring here as a fuse ring system. Next, midazolam, that contain, instead of triazole, it contain imidazole ring system. And these are more popular drugs for sedative hypnotic. The hypogenic system. So here we have discussed about the various substitutions of benzodiazepine nucleus and their role for the sedative, hypnotic and anxiolytic action. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.